Hello guys! Hello YouTube! Today we have another video just for you! Alright guys, today we have a new video. We're gonna do the slime. Today we gonna do this right. Because last video it was not that good about the slime. So today we got the borax.
Yes. So you put the glue and you put the glitter gold in.
And I got the white glue. We got the clear glue.
Oh, white glue.
And we got glue with glitter. And we got some glow paint. Okay? So let's see how this is gonna work. Today, the slime. Alright guys, let's start with this. I will put some water.
Yeah.
Alright, and I got this small plate or bowl. And let's go with the white glue.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm gonna put like a small portion. Let's see how this works. Let me see. I'm gonna put like half of it. Alright. Like that. And I have some water here. Alright guys, yeah, I got the water and I put the borax inside the water. Just like a little bit, like a spoon. It don't have to be that much. And then you keep like squirting like that. Yeah. And don't try to put too much, because if you put too much, what's gonna happen, like the sliming is gonna get very thick. It depends how you want it. Okay? And then after that, all you gotta do is spoon like it depends how the spoon, like a small spoon like this one, you can put like a little bit, like half of a spoon or a spoon like that, and then you keep turning like that, scrolling like that, keep turning until you feel like it's done. If you feel like the slime is already done like how you want it. It depends how thick you want it or how sticky you want it. If you want to put like any coloring, you can put it just now, like halfway or in the beginning. It don't matter. But for me, it's better in the beginning. If you put like the coloring or the glitter, you can put it in the beginning. Okay? So you're gonna keep doing like this. Keep going until you feel it's right for you. This one, it came out pretty nice. Is that not that much sticky? And all you gotta do after you take it out of the plate, you keep playing with it and play and play. Just a couple of minutes, and it gonna feel better and better until you say,
All right,
wow,
guys, like you
it's
see,
nice. It's
it
nice
definitely
for
works.
play. This is how I want
So
it.
I
See,
still
it's so
got the powder
sticky.
here. I got the
It's gonna
the
glue on
water
my
mixed with
hands,
the borax,
and
and
I
I'm
still
gonna do
have
another one. We're gonna try to
some
do the
glue
clear
left.
one, but
See,
we're gonna put a
and
little bit
now
of the
I'm gonna
glitter
do
with
the
glue.
clear one.
What color do you want
Oh, I
over
want the
there?
And
pink one
the thing
The
is,
pink
like,
one?
because the
I
pink one is
bought
my
like
favorite
these little
Okay.
bottle
Let me see.
with
Let me see
glitter
if this is gonna
and
work
glue
like
at
we
the
did the
same
other one.
time,
color. It will
because I
because
didn't find the other one.
blue only
And today's
works.
So
Sunday,
we're
you
gonna
know
put
how is the
a little bit
stores
like this, like
pretty much closed, or they close early. So this is the clear glue, and this one is glitter, and also is glue. So you gotta be careful when you do this, because you don't wanna put too much of the borax, okay? Because it's gonna get hard, and then this glitter, the glue is very thick. So you gotta be careful. So I suggest that you go little by little. Keep putting, a couple of drops from the spoon, and keep turning, turning until you feel it's right for you. Okay. Like I said, this glitter with glue, you gotta be careful with it, because see how thick it is. It's some different kind of glue. So put just a couple of drops. It depends how that you want it. For me, when I do the slime, I wanna I wanna see the glitter. I wanna see the color too. So it depends on the color too. If you want like a strong color, you just put more. But if you want like a light color, this one is like dark purple. But when you put it all together, it's gonna come out clear or light. It's gonna be more light. So I put only like a spoon, but you see how small this spoon is? Yeah, so you don't wanna put too much, because it's gonna get very hard then for playing. And kids sometimes don't want it like that. They want it, slime like that, and but at the meantime, you don't want it sticky. Okay, so keep playing with it a little bit inside the plate. Keep turning until, like I said before, until you feel it's right for you. This one is the clear glue. Like, if you want me to keep doing this video, slimy all different kinds, just let me know. Let me know at the comment, and I'm gonna keep doing it for you, and I'm gonna teach you how to do the different ones. It's different kind, different product. This one is for me, I say, like, for the beginners, um, it's nice, for start with this one with the borax, because you don't have to put that much stuff for mix it for do the slime. Only you gotta need some like water. See, like now I'm gonna put a little bit more water, because I feel like I have to be a little bit thicker. Okay, just a little bit like that, and yeah, you keep playing with it until you feel it's right for you. And with the borax like that, you don't have to only the water, the borax, and some paint coloring. Some I have some people use the one of those little small bottle for cake decoration for the frosting or the icing. Yeah, you can use that too. You know, and it's safe too. It's safe, like, for kids, for playing, and just like, it's nice, and you save some money too. Because like for me, with that. box that I have of borax, I can do a lot of slime. I can do a lot of slime, different kind, different style, and it's fun for the kids too. And at the meantime, you're gonna save some money. That's the important thing here. And like for the winter time, you have all those products inside your house, and it's good because you don't have to go out, or you make it for your kids. The convenience, of your convenience, and paint it however you want. You see how you look like it, when you take it out of the plate, it's gonna look like this, like sticky like this. But you keep, playing and playing, playing, and then it'll go away. It'll go away. It'll go away. I just did it, and at the end of this video, stay tuned because I'm gonna show you how all this slime come out, like, and how to look like. And let me know which one that you like. If you want like the clear with the glitter, or if you want like the green um, glow in the dark. I like that one because you put it in the light. You have to put like the one in the glow in the dark. You have to put it very close to the
All
light,
right, that's how you do
and
it.
then you put it in the dark.
Okay, let me see. Let me show it to
Then
the
you're gonna
to the
know like
camera.
the difference.
See, this
Okay,
is like the slime. It's
but
a little
see,
bit sticky,
look, it fixed
but
already.
that's
See,
okay
it
because
was
it's gonna
sticky
get
before,
dry
but look now.
eventually.
Look,
So this is with
see,
the
it's very
glitter.
nice, very nice. It look like the one that they sell around the store. I used to bought these slime like already, mixed and everything. You don't have to do nothing. For $5 in $5 below, but it was like a small portion like this, or a little less than this. And look, now I can do my own slime. See? So let's put this to the side, and you see how it come. It's not sticky. You can play with it. It's safe. It's safe for the kids, and you do your own style. So this one is the with the clear glue, and next time I'm gonna try to get the glitter without the glue. Okay, for me it's better that one because this glue, the glitter came out with glue and it's very thick, and I don't think is that the other one is better only with the glitter. You see, it don't stick into my fingers. Not on the table. Look, yeah, it come out pretty nice, pretty nice, pretty nice. Yeah. So let me show you like the other ones. I was surprised like this one how it came out. It came out pretty nice. It came out pretty nice. Okay. All right. Let's do another one. Um, let's do the glow in the dark with the green. Yeah, you find this like sometimes in Walmart for 1.99 or like 77 cents in all those stores. Like this type of glue is like $1, 99 cents, 97 cents, 88 cents. So ain't bad because you can, like I said, you can do your own slime, your own style, your own color, different colors. So if you buy like this type of small bottle of glue, you buy like five, you spend like $5, and you're gonna have wow a bunch of slime there. Or you can get the I think it's like the big gallon of glue. That one costs like 14, $15, and you can make a lot with that. Okay, and like I said, just put like a portion of the paint. Like if you want like very dark, you have to put a lot. But if you want a little light, it's still gonna glow in the dark. It's still gonna glow in the dark. But as much as you put, if you put more, it's gonna glow more. in the dark. Okay, so let's get the spoon, a little bit of the
All right,
borax,
guys. I just
and let's start
um,
mixing
put
everything.
a little bit of the borax.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
So you gotta
See
do it.
how easy
Stir it
comes.
up
You
like
know, it
that.
depends like how you want it.
Yeah. So this one is
Okay, this one is
the
the
clear
one that
one.
was all sticky
See, you
before.
can put too much
Remember,
of the borax because it's not
and
gonna
look
get
now.
um
You know, it
Watery.
came
yeah, no, like
pretty nice.
thick. Yeah, and we want it like this. This is nice. This one came out real, very nice. Yeah. Yeah, and this one we put a little bit extra, and it come out pretty nice too. But it's like, you see, it's like thicker. Yeah, but it's good. It's good. No mess. Okay, so let's do another one. Okay. So you would want to keep that one, and this one glow in the dark, you know. So I'm gonna do another one. I'm gonna keep putting glue here. Let me see.
Well, a little bit. More.
Yeah.
It's gonna work. Cause we tried all this slime. Yeah, a lot. So did we slimy. Need all of it. Yeah.
Okay, there's the glue.
Ooh.
Wow, look at that. Hold it there.
Look, anybody.
Wow. Yeah, it's going nice.
Yeah.
See, we're doing slimy.
Yeah, almost. We're doing a lot.
Yes. Let me put a little bit of
Uh-huh.
this color.
You could put a little bit. Something that's good.
Yeah. Okay, let me see how this is gonna turn.
It's gonna turn well. Yeah, of course.
Okay.
I'm gonna mix it together.
All right, girls.
Yay!
Then we take the portion of the borax.
I want to pick three.
So now I'm gonna put one and spoon and a half.
Yeah.
We go little by little.
It's gonna work. The same thing.
I hope so.
Yeah, of course, because when you mix it, it's
Yeah.
the same.
But look, it's like the glitter is not taking the glitter. But you have to keep stir it up like this.
Wow! Look at this. That's not the same thing. Happy, almost a bubble.
Okay, now I'm gonna do it with the hand.
Yeah. You want to? Yeah, I'm not putting down my slime. No. Looks like very risky.
It's all wet. Feel
yeah.
wet.
Yeah, because you put too many water.
No, it's like that. You have to be like that.
Because you put a one.
So like this.
It's hard.
It depends how that you want it.
You
No.
you go put slow like
Yeah.
this, but like that. What? That's how you don't have to. You also put the clear one. I wish a golden is still hard. Did you put the clear one?
Sí, mira.
Wow,
Wow.
they get it stretchy. Oh, I want to touch it.
Yeah. This came out a little bit different.
Baby, so
Yeah.
long.
So we're gonna do like I think like two more, and that'll be all. Okay, let's do two more with this glue. Like I'm gonna do like half of it for one and half of it for the other one, and we're still using like the same portion of the borax. So let me which one which color you want? This one on the clear one.
I want the clear one. Here it goes, nothing.
Go on with clear. Let me do half and half right there. Yeah. Okay, and we put
The little
1
water.
teaspoon of the small one of the portion.
So did that turn out a little good?
Yeah, because I put that much.
Man, what? That was gonna be all watery. Maybe.
Wow, this product is amazing.
Yes.
You know how much money now I'm gonna save doing my own slime?
Yours.
You can do this in home too.
Yeah. Or the store.
Do you think you want some more, right? I have to put a little bit more.
Yeah.
So probably that like 2 teaspoons of the small one. It's not the big one. See, yeah.
I want to do the giant.
Yeah, but it's not enough to do a giant. Let me know at the bottom, at the comment below. Let me know if you want me to do a giant slime. Yeah, you have to keep playing with this for a little bit, you know. Put that one in the cup until you keep massaging this one.
Alright. I'm putting the.
This one is all clear, all natural.
Alright. Here goes nothing with my clear slime or white slime. It looks like white slime or white.
It looks like a cloud for me.
Looks like a white glue. I want a clear slime.
And for you, what did this look like to you? It looked for me like a cloud, like this, in the sky.
Yeah, so I want this one.
Okay.
So it's time to go
Here. Here, keep massaging this one. And then
Right.
at the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to turn everything. Alright? So how it look like.
Pulling the
Yeah, so I'm putting
oh,
the
wow.
rest of the bottle.
Yeah.
Let me drain it a little bit like this. It's easy, you know, like to do it. You have to get used to it. Yeah, for the first time, ain't bad. Because last video I just did it, but wow, that was crazy. This one come out better.
Yeah, when you leave it open of no tap, it dries
And it get better.
and no, it doesn't
No?
come like slime. It just go like rusty.
Okay.
So I throw it away.
So this time, one of the girl wants this
Golden.
one with the gold.
I like
So
gold.
let's do like the gold on the clear.
The cloud slime smell like borax. Yeah, I smell like it.
So you like it?
Yeah, it turned out very good. Like, oh my god.
Let me mix all this first. I think this is a better way. So I get all mixed like this. And then we put the borax.
I like it. Pretty.
So I'm gonna do,
Activator.
yeah, like my hand like this.
Oh,
My
where the
hand.
bear you pick? Miss Miss
Okay. Like you see, it's gonna send
Looks
me.
like soap.
Yeah. With that portion, I think it's good.
Yay, they're getting big.
see how this turns out. Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Let's massage that for
Tiny,
the
big.
Yeah. And more that you play with it, a better quality gonna come.
Yeah, tomorrow we buy
Yeah,
glue.
tomorrow we're gonna get more glue, and
Yeah.
then we do another video for our friends
What?
at home.
They
No
got
more?
glue a little bit. Look,
Yeah.
look it,
Yeah, but it's not that much.
look it. It's a little bit tiny glue. What the heck? Ooh, you're getting stretchy. Now I have 1, 2
Look at
slimes.
this.
Yeah.
You could do this. The girl has 4 slime. 3 slime. Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I like how it came. Yeah.
What is West Side?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you gotta watch your hands.
Yes.
I wouldn't touch my slime.
This is how the clown slime came out.
Oh, that's the white. Oh, that's the clear.
Yeah, that's the clear one. That's
Oh.
my slime.
Okay. And this one is the
Mine.
gold.
Yeah.
I mean clear and the gold glitter
Uh-huh.
with glue.
It looks like
For next time, I'm gonna do the glitter without the glue. Only the glitter and the glue by separate. Big,
Yeah.
not like these. The other one.
and we're gonna do the part 3 of the slime.
Yeah. So, put any comment what you think about this slime that we made.
Yeah.
This
If you
Or
like
this
it,
one.
yeah.
or this purple that hide in here.
Or the white. I get to show you.
Yeah, but not yet, not yet.
Or this one. The white. But it's so sticky.
It's not sticky. I always massage that one.
Yeah, see?
Maybe Miko touch it, they sticky or no.
If it's sticky,
Okay.
just give it to me so I can fix it.
Here, keep playing with this
Oh
one.
my gosh! It's so
Right. Voy a comer. Alright guys, this is like the last one, the last slime for today. I just put like whatever left on the like the bottom of this one, and it was like a little bit on this one too, so I mixed it up and put the green and like this the magic chemical,
Borax.
yeah, the borax. So let me get 1 spoon like this, and this is now beginning.
Come
Yeah, this one is a small one.
in a tiny.
I don't want to throw it away.
hello boy.
Here, take it, and you do it now.
Alright, I'm gonna massage this green.
All of it. Yeah. Alright, this is how it come out. Look, the slime. This one is the clear and gold. See? Look. Wait. First one that we make. This is like the first one that we make. So now we know how to do slime. And I want to thank to KK World. She's the one who gave me the recipe. We got, and this one is the green one, and glow in the dark.
And the bottom who's white and this.
And
And mine white
come
and
here.
And I maybe that you make slime.
So look,
sticky,
let's
look.
do. It's not
Okay.
sticky. It's not sticky. Look, like the white one, it's not sticky either. Look.
Wait, you forgot for one more slime.
Okay, wait.
Oh, this one. Oh, yeah, I like this one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow, this one come out very nice. This is like, it looked like purple.
Yeah, it's purple.
Yeah.
And almost it's white.
And we
Look.
did my favorite ingredient slime is clear one.
We put a lot of glue there.
Thank you.
And we
Hold it.
put
Hold it now.
silicone.
See?
a water stove. And this one stretchy. I like this
Look,
one
I made
better.
a happy
Okay.
face.
So I like it this.
And this one, hold this one. Hold this one.
It smells like borax.
Mine.
Okay.
Borax.
Alright guys, I see you next time. I see you next time. I want me that you put any comment at the bottom below. What do you think about our slime? And this is the product that you need for do the slime. Very simple, very easy, and you don't need that much. With this, you do a lot of slime. You can do a swimming pool slime, right, girls?
Yeah.
And then after you're done with it, I put it in a small bag like this, so that way it don't get like dry. Okay. And I got like the green one. I got the clear and with the glitter. It come out like purple. And I got the one glow in the dark. So you put it like this in the light. And then when you go like this, it glow in the dark. And we did like the first one. This is like the white. And finally we did the clear and gold glitter. Yeah. Oh, you got another one here? And we did the it's like purple. Yeah, put it here.
Yep.
Alright, Glenn, so we do the slime with borax.
Yeah, it's made it.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Yeah.
share our channel, thumbs up, and the notification bell. Don't forget to turn it on. The notification bell.
And a bow.
So I see you next time.
Bye.
Hasta la vista, baby.